Alright friends, welcome back to the new video, and the topic for today's video is your practical exam. So currently you are seeing me in sweater because it's outside, it's really cold in Gandhinagar. This is such a cold place, okay? If you stay here you might know that currently outside temperature is around 11 Celsius. Okay, so no worries, yeah, let's start. So see, for exam related things I have covered two more most important topic. First is your assignment, second is your viva. I have covered both of this topic in my channel, so please visit that video because this two things is really important. And now this is going to be the third thing for your exam importance. Okay, so today I am going to cover your practical exams related stuff, useful information, guidance, how it is important, and all these 6 points I have mentioned here. So I am going to explain each one by one. Okay, so first let me tell you about what is the pattern of examination of practical semester exams. Okay, so now let me give you the example. Let's suppose that currently you are studying physics subject. Okay, so in physics you have a lab session. In lab session you perform various practicals. So those practicals you have to perform in practical exams. Let's say that there are 10 practicals you have performed in physics lab. Okay, so your examiner is going to ask you to perform two practicals on the final exam. Okay, so out of those 10 you have to create two practicals in exam, and based on that you are going to get marks. Okay, so the pattern is like whatever practicals you perform during your lab session or any other session, that practical is going to be in your real practical exam. So now let me tell you that from where you can find this pattern, or from where you can find these questions. Let's say that you are expert in bunk the lectures. Okay, आपने कभी कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है, हर बार lectures bunk कर दिए, तो ये मिलेंगे कहाँ से? So for that what you have to do, you have to go to the website of gtu.ac.in. It is the official website of your university. In that, in course section, in syllabus section, you will find the PDF of that particular subject, and in that PDF you are going to find all the practical list which are important. Again I repeat, मान लीजिए कि आपने लेक्चर्स बंक किए हैं, आपको पता नहीं है कि लैब में क्या किया होगा और क्या करवाया होगा, तो फिर आपको जीटीयू की वेबसाइट पर से सब्जेक्ट्स की पीडीएफ में नीचे स्क्रॉल डाउन करोगे तो वहाँ पे आपको सारे प्रैक्टिकल के लिस्ट मिल जाएंगे. सो आउट ऑफ दोज प्रैक्टिकल्स देयर आर ओनली टू प्रैक्टिकल्स which is going to be in your practical exams. So I have given you the example of physics. Now I will give you the example of data structure. See, in data structure you have to perform coding. Okay, in your practical session when you are studying your semester curriculum, that time you have to perform lab, and in that lab you have to write down code. So this code you have to write same in the practical as well. The topic is same. What you did in practical session, what you did in lab session, the same question is going to be asked in the practical exams. There is no such difference. Yeah, some values are different. So in let's say that in your lab session or in your semester study, there are different kind of values you have to put in your code. Okay, but at the practical it is going to be the final one. Okay, so this is how you can check it, what is the difference and what are the syllabus. Okay, now let me take you to the point number 2. Your point number 2 is going to be your marks. What are, how much marks? So see, in assignment and viva I have saying marks is not declared by your college. Means there are 50 marks, total 50 marks. Out of the 50 marks, it is college authority that how much mark they want to give for the practical exam. Because what happened that out of 50 they have to divide in some viva, they have to divide in assignment, practical, attendance and many other stuff. Okay, so again let me give you the example. Let's say that there are 10 and 20 mark of your practical exam. So based out of the 20 marks, they are also going to put half of the marks, they are also going to put full of the marks. That depend on the college to college. Okay, now point number 3 is that IMP. See, it is really important because the thing is the practical or assignment whatever you perform, it is the same question which are going to come in your final sem exam. So it is really helpful for you. So important level is hard. Hi. Fourth point is it hard? अब मोस्टली हर बार मुझे यही सवाल आता है कि क्या ये हार्ड रहता है, इजी रहता है, डिफिकल्ट रहता है. सो टेल मी अबाउट इट. ओके, सो नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. इज इट रियली हार्ड? सी, hardness or difficulty level I can say like it is like a 60-40. Okay, where 60% easy, 40% medium and there is 0% hard level. Okay, so the ratio of 60-40 is like 60% आपका easy रहेगा, 40% medium रहेगा और 0% hard रहेगा. But if you haven't performed any practical, if you haven't attended any of the lab session, then it is going to be hard for you. Okay, because अगर आपने practical session attend किए होंगे, lectures में जब आप lab में बैठे होंगे तब आपने practical किया होगा, तो ये आपके लिए hard नहीं होगा. Otherwise it would be hard. अब यहाँ पे मैं 2 टेस्ट केस देता हूँ कि पहला आपने अटेंड किया तो फिर आपके लिए ईजी रहेगा, दूसरा अगर आपने अटेंड नहीं किया देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस केस. In this case you have to go to the YouTube, you have to write the name of the practical entire sentence which is in your PDF, in subject PDF, put it in the YouTube. In YouTube you are going to find so many solutions of that practical and you can copy and paste in your notebook. Okay, so this is the second way. Don't do it, just I am giving you the friendly advice. Okay, now at the end I have some useful information about practical exam, and that is it is going to be really easy. The thing is you have to revise all the practicals, you have to read it out, or you have to do YouTube for once. Okay, because the thing is it is not too much hard. Okay, just you have to clear it, because college professor also wanted to give you more and more mark, but you have to also showcase some work. Okay, let's say you are not able to write such a one line of a code, then how your examiner is going to give you a single mark. Okay, so the thing is you need to understand the basic. If you know the basic, then you are going to definitely have some good mark. Okay, so at the end, thank you very much for watching this video, thank you very much for giving this time to watch this video, and at the end if you have any feedback or questions, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you, bye bye.